Hi, this is Devin with Alamo Cash Buyers. If you're looking for a fast home buyer in Terrell Hills, we would love an opportunity to chat with you. We've been buying and selling houses in San Antonio since 2012. We've done well over 100 projects at this point, and we're a cash home buyer. So if you've got a house in Terrell Hills in San Antonio or Alamo Heights or any surrounding areas, that's where we're from. We grew up there. We know the area very well. We know every street in Terrell Hills, and we're very familiar with all the properties there, so we're local. But I want to point out three things here if you're looking to sell your house fast in Terrell Hills. Is the first, we're a cash buyer. As the name of the company suggests, we are not going out and getting a bank loan. We're not doing anything like that. We're going to close on the property cash, which means this says 7 days here. We can close in as little as 7 days, sometimes as few as 3 days, as long as there's a clear title. We are ready to close on the property. And then this last point here is we are the end buyer. So if the contract you're looking at signing with somebody that says they're a fast home buyer says on the buyer's component, if it says and or assigns on the contract, that means that person can sell your contract without actually ever buying your house. So you want to be sure that the person you're selling your house to is actually buying the house and closing on it themselves. And that's what we do at Alamo Cash Buyers. So it doesn't matter if there's deferred maintenance, repairs, back taxes, any kind of problem you can imagine with a house. We've seen it and we love it. That's what we do. So if you're looking for a fast home buyer in Terrell Hills in San Antonio, Texas, we would love an opportunity to earn your business. And this will be the easiest real estate transaction that you'll ever be a part of in your life. So give us an opportunity to earn your business if you are looking to sell a house fast in Terrell Hills, and we will talk to you later. Thanks.